octopus pizza, unicorn pancakes, seashell cakes, and a refreshing rainbow mini cocktail? Watch the battle of mini unicorn snacks versus mini mermaid snacks in our new video. Unicorn and mermaid try on mustaches. The battle of Italian cuisine starts. The unicorn and mermaid dolls are cooking Italian dishes. They mix all the ingredients together. Cooking tiny servings is pretty difficult. The girls have been waiting for their food too long, and Mermaid's stomach is rumbling. The chef brings out their creations. We've got an octopus pizza for our ocean dweller. Divide pizza dough into equal parts. Roll it and place it onto foil, shaping octopus tentacles. Attach a dough circle on top. That's the head. Cut a cherry tomato into little pieces. Cut a slice of salami with a straw. Cover the dough with ketchup. Put the salami pieces onto the tentacles so that they look like suckers. Place it onto the head too. Add tomato pieces. Grate cheese on top. Bake the pizza for 10 minutes at 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Make round eyes out of nori. Decorate the plate with sesame seeds. Mermaid cuts one tentacle off the octopus pizza. This is divine! And for our rainbow client, we have a bright rainbow pasta made according to a special recipe. Dissolve food colorings in water. Put cooked pasta into it. Make rainbow transitions. Place the bright pasta into a colorful spiral. The rainbow pasta in the unicorn's hands is just like a slinky. It's so much fun to play with. This lunch is just one big party. Mermaid loves earthly sweets, and Unicorn gives her a bar of chocolate. But Mermaid doesn't even manage to bite off a piece because the chocolate shrinks all of a sudden. It turns into a rainbow mini bar of chocolate for Unicorn. Melt white chocolate. Add food coloring to it. And put it into a Ziploc bag. Pour the chocolate into a rectangular mold. Put in sprinkles. Let it harden in a fridge. Wrap the ready chocolate in foil. It turns out that Unicorn made chocolate not meant for her mermaid friend, but for her doll. That's why it's so tiny. But it doesn't stop our sweet-tooth mermaid. She covers up with the doll and quickly swallows down the little bar of chocolate. Mermaid also has prepared a surprise for her friend in return. It's a giant plate of itsy-bitsy underwater pretzels. Sprinkle a board with flour and roll out ready pretzel dough on it. Cut it into thin strips. Shape a fish. Cut another strip and make an anchor. Shape another strip into a starfish. Bake the pretzels for 10 minutes at 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat the ready pretzels using white chocolate with food colorings. Decorate them with sprinkles. We have pretzels of every shape, an anchor or a starfish. Plus, they are very delicious. The dolls like these little pretzels too. Too bad there's not many of them. The dolls come to a restaurant of miniature cuisine. Mermaid gets a wonderful pie with a starfish. Mix 1 egg with 1/3 cup of flour. Add in a 1/4 cup of drinkable yogurt and a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Put in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix the batter. For the filling, finely chop dill and add it to cottage cheese. Remove the rubber layer from a metallic bottle cap and coat it with vegetable oil. Pour in the batter. Then add the filling and cover it with more batter. Bake the pie for 10 minutes at 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Decorate the pie with a piece of lettuce and a carrot starfish. The mermaid doll enjoys the pie. It's so delicious! And the unicorn doll gets little sweet cakes. There are even tiny unicorns on them. Mash a half of a banana with a fork. Add an egg and make little pancakes on a frying pan. Cut little cakes out of the pancakes using a pastry bag nozzle. For icing, mix an egg white and powdered sugar. Add food coloring. Dip the little pancakes into it. Cut unicorn ears and a horn out of a marshmallow. Attach them to the little cakes. Add eyes with a food marker. The little cakes turn out very tasty. Both the dolls and the girls enjoy them. This itsy bitsy cake is not enough for Mermaid. Boom! And the cake grows right in Mermaid's mouth. What a miracle! Unicorn asks Mermaid to close her eyes, and the doll's eyes too. It's a surprise! Done! These are unusual crepes in unicorn holders. Use a small glass to cut a circle out of a ready crepe. Melt a bag of colored glaze in hot water. Cut off the corner and squeeze the glaze onto the mini crepe. Wrap the crepe using tweezers. Cut out a little cardboard crepe holder. Fold it and hot glue a cone. Attach a silver cardboard horn and cardboard ears. Add eyes with a marker. Put in the crepe. Cut gummy bears into little strips and decorate the crepe with the gummy unicorn mane. Wow! The design is so petite! This dessert is beyond delicious! Mermaid also prepared a surprise for Unicorn. Bring in the seashell cakes. Shape a white chocolate drop into a round seashell. Press in the signature hollows with a knife. Decorate the seashell with gold edible pearl powder. Microwave marshmallows with a drop of food coloring. Put the blue shellfish into the seashell. Attach a sprinkle as a pearl. Unicorn sniffs the unfamiliar treats. She's not sure whether she likes these pearl cakes. Mermaid begs her friend to eat at least a tiny piece of the dessert, but Unicorn is stubborn. Then Mermaid decides to use voodoo doll magic. She controls the unicorn doll's horn. Unicorn's mouth opens right away, and Mermaid tosses in the delicious seashell. At last, Unicorn tastes the cake. This is actually very good. This amount of sweets and delicious food causes an endorphin boost. It's time to run around and have fun. What about a pillow fight? The girls need to refresh after this workout. Their caring dolls bring tasty milkshakes for their owners. Cut the plunger top and a part of the barrel off a syringe. Hot glue the pieces to make a glass. Cover the rim with edible glue and coat it with coconut shreds. Cut a piece of a rainbow candy belt and decorate the top of the glass. Draw eyes with a marker. Add pink food coloring to milk. Fill a syringe with it and pour it into the glass. Take the plastic cover off a colored paper clip. Use flat pliers. Bend it, making a straw, and put it into the drink. The unicorn doll brings an itsy-bitsy milk cocktail for her rainbow owner. How adorable! Mermaid's been running around so much that her gills are about to fall out. But her kind doll rushes in with a mini cocktail for her too. Cut off the wide part of a pipette. Cut the plunger top off a syringe with a heated utility knife. Turn over the pipette piece and hot glue it to the plunger top. Decorate the mini glass with Fimo fruits. Shape a mermaid tail. Add blue food coloring to Sprite. Pour it in. Take the plastic cover off a colored paper clip and put it in as a straw. These tiny cocktails turn out very delicious. The girls freshen up and have a snack. They can keep on having fun. Did you like our miniature food recipes for Unicorn and Mermaid? Then write in the comments which tiny treat you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new miniature recipes for magical creatures on Troom Troom.